Need for public awareness about judicial system. While addressing a function on Legal Services Day in New Delhi, PM Modi said that with legal awareness, there must also be institutional awareness that people must know the systems that are in place. While reiterating his mantra of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, the Prime Minister added another mantra of Sabka Nyay. The Prime Minister also underlined the importance of Lok Adalats.
मेरा एक मंत्र रहा है सबका साथ सबका विकास, लेकिन साथ जुड़ता है सबका न्याय। तो सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका न्याय, ऐसा बहुत बड़ा वर्ग है जिसको पता है कि मैं हकदार हूं, मेरा न्याय होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो हिम्मत नहीं करता है। लोक अदालत ने इस कमी को भर दिया है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he is happy on discussions being held on how poor will get justice. He said that even in the lower courts, while appointing judges, persons who are attached to the legal aid program should get a chance.
एक बार अगर ये मानदंड बन गया, भले 10 मार्क होंगे पूरे इंटरव्यू में, लेकिन नीचे हर एक को लगेगा कि भाई अब जुडिशरी में जाना है तो मेरी जवाबदारी, सामाजिक संवेदना, ये प्राथमिकता है, गरीब मेरी प्राथमिकता है। समय रहते अभी से रिक्रूटमेंट होगा तो 5-10 साल में हमारा प्राइम सेक्टर जुडिशरी का बन जाएगा, जिसमें गरीब 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 का ही न्याय ये विषय केंद्रस्थ हो जाएगा।
The Prime Minister stressed on the need to bring other group of people like transgenders into mainstream so that they can have easy access to legal system.
ट्रांसजेंडर, आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि इनके प्रति कितनी उदासीनता है। परमात्मा ने उसके जीवन में जो दिया सो दिया, हम कौन होते हैं उसको अन्याय करने वाले। हमें व्यवस्था विकसित करनी पड़ेगी, कानूनी व्यवस्था में बदलाव लाना पड़ेगा, नियमों में बदलाव लाना पड़ेगा, सरकार ने अपने नजरिए में बदलाव लाना पड़ेगा।
Executive Chairman of NALSA and CGI designate T.S. Thakur said that National Legal Services Authority is working on specific programs to fulfill the needs of different sections of society.
If you do not have clear-cut areas earmarked, if you do not have clear-cut subjects identified, you remain confined, you vegetate, you do not grow. But the legal service program has grown manifold over the years.
Legal Services Authorities Act, though enacted in 1987, was finally enforced on 9th November 1995. Then on 5th December the same year, National Legal Services Authority was constituted. District Legal Services Authority has been constituted in every district to implement legal services programs. State Legal Services Authority has been constituted in every state to give effect to the policies and directions of the NALSA and to give free legal services to the people and conduct Lok Adalats in the state. With Sudhakar Das, Vikas Sarthi, DD News.